Welcome to our channel. In this thought-provoking video, we uncover the timeless wisdom of Sun Tzu's art of war, revealing how it can be practical and transformative in our everyday lives. Join us on a journey to unleash your inner power and live a purposeful life with grace and intention. Silence, as Sun Tzu teaches, holds immense power. In a world filled with noise and distractions, we explore the art of embracing silence to access our inner wisdom and find clarity amidst the chaos. By cultivating stillness, we can tap into our true potential and make decisions that align with our deepest desires. Ignorance, often misunderstood, is revealed as a subtle form of revenge. By harboring resentments and holding on to grudges, we unknowingly hinder our own growth and emotional well-being. Explore the transformative power of letting go, releasing unnecessary anger, and forgiving those who have wronged us. Through this process, we liberate ourselves from the burdens of the past, paving the way for a brighter future. Living with nobility becomes a guiding principle as we navigate life's complexities. By cultivating virtues such as kindness, compassion, and integrity, we not only inspire those around us, but also foster a harmonious and fulfilling existence for ourselves. Discover how incorporating these qualities into our daily interactions can create positive ripples that extend far beyond what we can imagine. We explore the art of simplicity, recognizing that unnecessary troubles can be avoided. By decluttering our lives, both physically and mentally, we create space for what truly matters. Embracing minimalism and mindful consumption, we shift our focus towards experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. Our words hold tremendous power, resonating far beyond the moment they are spoken. In an era of constant communication and social media, we explore the importance of thoughtful and intentional expression. Discover how honoring the potency of our words not only cultivates better relationships, but also promotes empathy, understanding, and unity in an increasingly disconnected world. Amidst the vast data landscape we find ourselves in, it is crucial to remember that personal needs surpass mere statistics. In a world driven by algorithms and metrics, we delve into the significance of prioritizing human connection and individual well-being over superficial measurements of success. Embrace your uniqueness and remember that you are more than just a number. In conclusion, we invite you to express a simple yet profound affirmation. I am fine. Embrace these lessons, adopt the wisdom of Sun Tzu's art of war, and navigate life with purpose and grace. Unleash your inner power and embark on a transformational journey to live a purposeful life filled with profound meaning and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others on their path to purposeful living. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.